Hi, in this video we're going to show you a fun little tool you could use to check the weather in various locations around the country, around the world. So if you're a weather buff and you want to see what's going on in your location, similar locations or any other location, you could download this program called METAR Weather. So it's a free download. Just you could either do the zip file and extract it and run the executable, or they have an installable version you could install and then you could uninstall it if you want to get rid of it, that type of thing. So I'm just using the standalone one here, so I just double click the executable to run. So what you do is to load the reports here from the web. So you have 4 download sources: METAR data access website, text files, 24-hour University of Wyoming files here, and Aviation digital data service. So we'll just go with the default here, text files, and so you could pick your location of all the United States and then other countries here. And you could also do multiple locations at once. So let's say we're going to do Washington State here. Let's say we're going to do Bellingham and Deer Park. And then we could switch over here. Let's do, let's say we want to do Oregon since that's close. We could do Bend and Baker. Then you could save your stations if you want to do that, so you could load them later, or you could remove them all from here. And then once you have everything set here, you could also do a search by station name if you want to do that. We're just going to go by the locations here for this example. Just click on Get Reports here. You can see it downloaded 4 items. So you have your station names, your country, location, elevation, the time, temperature, dew point, relative humidity, wind, visibility, pressure, sky condition, weather remarks, heat index, wind chill, so on. Okay, so then you have some options up here. If you want to go right to some other websites, you could change your units here. So if you want to change your visibility, wind speed, temperature, if you want to go from Celsius to Fahrenheit, or use both, pressure, precipitation, time, location, just like this. Then you can show grid lines if you want to get a little better view. If you have a lot, you could choose your columns. If you don't need all these columns showing, you could just have the ones shown that you want to use. Change the font, do some exports here. So if we do this, let's export it to an HTML report. Just like that, then you could print it out. Load files from the net, load files from any files you saved, save configurations. And then, double clicking on one will bring up some details. Same information that's in the list there. And then if you want to change it, just go back here, and then you could remove them and start over, or add to them, and so on. So like I said, it's a pretty cool program if you just want to monitor weather locations from multiple locations. So I will put a link in the description where you can download it. Like I said, either do the zip file with the executable that you run, or you could download the installable version and install it as an actual program on your computer. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.